Welcome to today's episode where we dive deep into the world of car care, specifically focusing on an essential tool for any detailing enthusiast, microfiber towels. If you have ever wondered why some towels leave your car looking pristine while others just don't cut it, you are in the right place. Today, we are reviewing the top 7 microfiber towels that promise to elevate your car's shine and protect its delicate surfaces. From the durability to absorbency, we'll explore what makes these towels a must-have in your car care kit. Let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have AIDEA Car Cleaning Cloth. This cloth comes in a generous pack of 24, making it a value-packed choice for both amateur and professional detailers. Each towel is crafted from a blend of polyester and polyamide, providing a soft yet effective cleaning surface. These cloths are designed to be ultra-absorbent, which is perfect for wiping away polishes, waxes, and all types of cleaning solutions without causing any scratches. The quality of the AIDEA cloths is evident in their durability. Wash after wash, these towels maintain their texture and cleaning capabilities thanks to their well-engineered fibers that resist shrinking and stretching. Their usability extends beyond just cars. You can use them around the house or for other cleaning tasks, making them incredibly versatile. In terms of design, each towel features endless stitching to prevent any scratches on sensitive paint jobs, ensuring your vehicle looks spotless and swirl-free after every wash. Overall, the effectiveness of the AIDEA car cleaning cloth is preserving the car's aesthetic while ensuring deep cleaning makes it a top contender in our list. Moving on to the next at number 2, we have the Chemical Guys Microfiber Towels. These towels, in a stunning gold color, sold in packs of 3. These towels are a favorite among car enthusiasts for their plush, super soft texture that is ideal for final touch wiping on delicate surfaces. The premium blend of fibers enhances the towel's absorbency and longevity, making it a reliable tool for any detailing job. The durability of these towels is remarkable. Even with regular use and multiple washes, they continue to hold their shape and texture thanks to the quality microfiber material that resists common wear and tear. This makes them an excellent investment for those who value long-lasting detailing tools. Featuring a dual pile design, one side of the towel is dense and plush for trapping dirt and moisture, while the other side is lighter and perfect for buffing and polishing. This feature enhances the towel's usability, making it a versatile addition to your car care arsenal. The effectiveness of the Chemical Guys towels in achieving a streak-free finish helps in achieving that showroom shine every time. Coming in at number 3 is the Rag Company introduces the Liquid 8R Towel, a high-performance option designed to tackle heavy-duty drying tasks with ease. This towel comes in a striking aqua blue and grey color, providing not just functionality but also style to your detailing routine. It's made from a unique microfiber blend that offers exceptional absorbency and softness, ideal for drying large areas quickly without leaving any lint or streaks behind. Durability is a key feature of the Liquid 8R Towel. It withstands numerous wash cycles without losing its absorbency or soft feel, which is critical for maintaining effectiveness over time. The towel's design includes ultrasonic cut edges to ensure that it remains scratch-free, enhancing its safety on paintwork and glass. The size and weight of this towel are optimized for ease of use, making it less cumbersome than traditional drying towels. This usability factor, coupled with its outstanding drying capability, makes the Liquid 8R Towel an essential tool for efficient car care, especially after a thorough wash. Next at number 4, we have EXOFORM Mega Car Drying Towel, boasting an impressive 1200 GSM rating. This towel is a heavyweight when it comes to absorbency and is perfect for pulling large volumes of water off the surface of your car, drastically reducing drying time. The towel's durability is unmatched, designed to withstand extensive use in both personal and professional settings. Its high GSM not only contributes to its effective drying power but also ensures that it lasts longer than conventional towels, providing value for your money. What sets the ExoForma towel apart is its double-sided and plush design, which allows for multiple uses from drying to polishing. This versatility is a significant advantage, making it a must-have in your collection. The towel's effectiveness in leaving your car spot-free and shining after each use is what makes it one of the best on the market today. The number 5 position is held by CARCAREZ Microfiber Towels. These towels stand out with their superior design and functionality. Crafted from ultra-fine microfiber material, these towels boast a blend of 80% polyester and 20% polyamide, offering a soft and non-abrasive texture that is safe for all paint surfaces. The towels feature a dual pile design, with one side having longer fibers for trapping dirt and the other side shorter fibers for polishing and buffing, providing a versatile cleaning solution. The durability of the CARCAREZ towels is notable, as they withstand hundreds of washes without losing absorbency or texture, making them an economical and substantial choice for car enthusiasts. The pack of 6 ensures you always have a clean towel at hand for different cleaning stages, from washing and drying to detailing and polishing. The size of each towel, measuring 16 by 16 inches, offers ample surface area for quicker and more efficient cleaning sessions. In terms of usability, these towels are engineered to be both user-friendly and effective. They absorb up to 7 times their weight in water, which significantly speeds up the drying process and reduces the formation of streaks. The effectiveness of the CARCAREZ microfiber towels in removing dirt, grease and debris without the need for chemical cleaners make them a favorite among eco-conscious car owners. Number 6 position is dominated by HOMEXCEL Large Car Drying Towels. Redefine the standards of car drying with their exceptional size and absorbency. These towels, each measuring an impressive 24 by 36 inches, are specially designed for larger vehicles and significantly reduce the time needed for drying. Made from a high-quality microfiber blend, they excel in absorbing moisture and leaving a streak-free finish on your car surface. Durability is a key feature of the HOMEXCEL towels, as they are built to last through numerous wash cycles without losing their softness or effectiveness. This durability ensures that car enthusiasts can rely on these towels for long-term use, adding value to their cleaning arsenal. The plush weave of the fabric not only enhances absorbency but also ensures that the towels are gentle on delicate surfaces, preventing any scratches or damage during use. For car owners looking for convenience and efficiency, these towels offer an ideal solution. Their large size covers more area per swipe, making drying faster and more efficient. Whether you are dealing with the rainwater, wash water, or even detailing sprays, the HOMEXCEL towels handle it all effortlessly. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the MrSega Premium Microfiber Towels, renowned for their exceptional quality and gold standard in car care. These gold-colored towels are not just about aesthetics. They are designed with a premium 85% polyester and 15% polyamide blend, making them extremely effective at picking up and locking away dirt. The edgeless design eliminates any risk of scratching, making them safe for all types of car finishes, from glossy to matte. The MrSega towels are celebrated for their durability, with a design that withstands repeated use and washes without deteriorating. This resilience makes them a cost-effective choice for detailers and car enthusiasts who require dependable and long-lasting cleaning tools. Each towel in the pack measures 16 by 16 inches, ideal for both general cleaning tasks and more focused detailing, providing versatility and value in one package. In practice, these towels prove their worth by how well they perform in various cleaning scenarios. They excel in polishing and buffing applications, leaving a gleaming finish without swirl marks or streaks. The high absorbency rate ensures that they can handle large volumes of liquid, making them particularly effective in drying and quick detailing tasks. Today we have explored the top 7 microfiber towels that are crucial for achieving that perfect finish on a vehicle. Whether it's the versatile AIDEA cloths, the plush chemical guise towels, the efficient liquid 8R, or the robust ExoForma drying towel, each has its unique strengths. Remember, the right towel not only preserves your car's finish but also enhances your detailing process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy detailing!